everyone.
Hello, guys. We are here to review a new movie called Sir, and
Yeah.
we just saw it yesterday.
Hmm.
It's a Netflix movie, and well, what do you think about the movie?
It was awesome.
Okay.
Yeah. I really loved the guy's acting. His name is Vivek something. I forgot his last name. So I really loved his acting. And the Tilottama Shobe or something. I don't know her last name. Tilottama. She's the actress, main lead. I can say she has done a great job. She is a trained actress, so obviously that's expected out of her. But I never expected the guy to do such a great job because he's not a trained actor, first of all. So
Why don't we go ahead and discuss the story first instead
yeah,
of
sure.
talking about acting? Well, the story is very simple. It is a story about a guy who just goes through a breakup in his marriage, as in he's about to get married, and he somehow
It's
does
not a breakup in the marriage.
It's not a
It's
breakup.
like,
They just the girl just says no at the altar, at the marriage altar.
Yeah.
So the story begins with that, and then they show her maid. Her maid.
his name.
Oh, sorry, his maid. Sorry. That's a very anyway, so his maid. His maid is the other main character who is a lovely maid. I mean, she is like absolutely wonderful. She prepares some amazing food. I was looking at the food, and she talks to that guy as if I mean, she's someone who's very sweet, and she has got aspirations also. She has got aspirations to become a fashion designer, and they show it in the movie that whenever she's traveling the bus, she is seeing the clothes in a store, and then she's also very responsible. She takes care of her sister's studies, she pays for it. So they just show this in a very, very realistic way. The movie was very realistic, and when I saw the trailer, I was just expecting it to be another movie which has got some extramarital affair or
just
some
about sex or something.
some affair it will have, and it will be raunchy. But this was completely unexpected. It was a very nice. It had a very nice pace to it. It was lifelike pace.
Yeah,
And
that's true.
and the expressions of each and every character. There are
It
other
was
characters as well.
so close to reality.
It was so
Like it can happen in my life or your life.
yeah, it can
In our life,
absolutely.
I mean, in a common man's life, day-to-day things like going for a smoke, going for a grocery shopping, and when you travel in a public transport, when you see something, you get amazed and you just keep staring at this. So that kind of little things, which is there in a screenplay, it made it so authentic. And when you cook, when some vegetarian, a person who is a vegetarian who's cooking a non-veg like a mutton and all,
How does she?
the way you do like this and cook or something like that, or even on a daily basis, something like that,
It
So
was
it's
so
very-
authentic, and
yeah.
I absolutely loved the pace of the movie.
Yeah.
And then the acting was brilliant by both the characters. In fact, all the characters, but two main characters, the acting is really amazing. I love the acting of the girl, Tilottama. She is absolutely flawless in this performance.
Yeah, true.
And the apartment was very well set up, in which I think 80% of the
shooting.
movie has been shot there. So all in all, the movie is great. it is something which is a must watch. And in the end, they just show that the guy falls in love with his maid, and then the maid just she's stuck with reality, as in she thinks about the reality and
that
she
people
thinks-
will make
that
fun
people-
of them
exactly.
if they become a
Couple.
committed couple also, that
Yeah.
the society would not accept it.
Yeah, this type of
And,
bullshit which keeps happening in India.
so she wanted to make him realize that this is the reality and it won't work, things between us won't work.
Yeah.
So that's what she was telling. I think I can totally feel what she was feeling, because I understand as a lady, or as from a Indian typical
Society, the point of view of
typical,
society.
Society, how they treat a woman or how they treat a maid.
Yeah, exactly.
That is really sad.
Yeah.
Because most of them treat them like they are
No,
just
they-
here to serve us. Like the word is called servant. I hate that.
Yeah.
I hate that word. And the chemistry between them was not just romantic. It was like
Understanding
trust.
friend.
Yeah, it was like an understanding, you can say a roommate or a person who just lives with you. I mean, it was so beautiful. I cannot explain, guys. You have to see that movie. I know it's you guys may be feeling that it's very you guys are very overrating it or whatever, but for me, I felt really, I was like blown away by their chemistry, that it was so authentic and it was so nice. And आजकल ऐसे मेड कहाँ मिलते हैं इतने अच्छे हैं, मतलब she was tolerating all the tantrums, all her guests, however they treated her, but still she had a background to it, because she's a widow, first thing, and by great deal she was sent to work in a city and to earn her own bread. As he said, he wanted to support her sister in education and the family, etc., etc. But at the same time, she was like, I don't want to be stuck in this place just doing this.
Yeah.
She wanted to learn tailoring. She wanted to be
You're fashion
something.
designer.
She wanted to be a fashion designer in her past. But even if I don't become a fashion designer, let me become some small-time tailor. Let me create my own design. Let me open my own boutique. That kind of a dream she had. So I just really love that about her, that she didn't want to be stuck at some place.
Yeah.
And she wanted to improve herself.
And the guy was also so encouraging.
Yeah.
He was so encouraging.
Exactly.
He was telling her, giving her tips,
Exactly.
and then he was also telling her about the negative aspect of it, that this is a very tough industry. And I love the scene where she gets upset, and then the guy is like realizes that she's upset, and he's trying to make her
that
feel
was really
happy.
sweet, guys.
And the thing is, mostly mostly in India we have got a lot of people treating people in inferior, with a lot of
Less
superiority
financial
complex.
background, I can say
people
that.
who are people who have jobs like maid or somebody who's
Security
a
guard,
we
yeah.
have to respect them. As in,
Exactly.
it
They
has
also
to
have
be-
a job.
That's a job. That's
Yeah.
a full-time job, and
Yeah.
they're working, they're earning, and we have to respect them.
Yeah.
It's just
Like
the
anyone
basic
else.
courtesy.
Yeah.
Just like anyone else, you have to respect them, and you
Exactly.
have to respect a cook, anyone, a guy who's driving an auto. I just feel really bad the way they show it in reality shows, that he's an auto driver's son, she's an auto driver. That's really, really bad, because that guy is working. It's a work. You get this type of things.
Respect of labor nahi hai India mein. That's what is the problem.
And you gotta treat them like anyone else. I
We
mean,
are
if
doing-
you really feel that
Haan.
we have to be equal, we fight for equality and all, please try to treat everyone equal.
Just don't make it a hashtag.
Exactly. You just have to treat everyone equal in terms of whoever is doing any job, you have to treat them equal.
Yeah.
And you don't, it automatically comes. This is seen in daily life. People are automatically feeling superior over others because they are doing a certain type of job.
Yeah.
So that is something really
Disgusting.
That is disgusting. That
Seriously.
is age-old mentality.
I
And it
hate
happens a lot. I have seen it
I
a
hate
lot.
that.
And it is
And
something.
me and Varun, I don't think so. We are someone who treat like that because we have a different mindset. Maybe our parents or whatever the previous generation used to treat. So let us as a new generation start respecting people no matter what
Exactly.
job they are doing, whether they're maid, whether they're
are
security guard, whether they are
anything.
plumber,
Yeah.
इलेक्ट्रिशियन, जो भी हो उनको रेस्पेक्ट से ट्रीट करो. उनको भैया बुलाओ, सर बुलाओ, जो भी बुलाओ,
Exactly.
उनको ना वो respect them because they are also putting
There's
in
a
their
efforts.
life,
Exactly.
sweat, hard work करके वो पैसे कमा रहे हैं.
Hmm.
And they are earning their own bread, so you should be happy that
Yeah.
they are not doing any
Illegal activities.
illegal things नहीं कर रहे हैं.
And if you compare this,
They may
with-
be earning less than you, but it doesn't mean that they don't
you are
deserve
superior
respect.
or they are
Haan.
inferior.
They
Does not mean
do
that. And
deserve
if you compare,
equal respect.
if you compare this with the way people work in abroad, it is like Canada, United
Such
States. You see maids have got BMWs. They drive around in BMWs, and people are
Treat
just
them
bothered.
nicely.
They are just equal, and
Not
it is,
because they have BMW, but they
it
treat
is
them
not
really
that.
nicely.
Exactly. It is not about money. They treat them equally, and they give equal importance to every
हाँ,
profession.
उन्हें नीचे नहीं बिठाते.
And my friend was telling me that in his college, the principal of the college
हाँ.
had a sister working as a janitor of the college, the people who sweep, and it was completely okay. They used to go ahead and talk to each other, and it is so that is the way it should be. As in, you have to respect every profession, every job, and this is what the movie basically highlights. What happens in India when such a thing like a maid falling in love with the owner of the house, or a maid falling in love with not regular but a guy who goes to office and earns a lot of money, and it is something you have to, we need to go ahead and treat it normally. That is
Because
something
see, I feel
because we frown upon those things. Correct. I mean, everyone frowns upon those things. Correct. I have so many times seen it.
And see, I would like to also tell you something like people don't even treat their wives sometimes good. I'm not talking about Varun, but anyway.
And my wife is very happy.
I almost feel like I'm Varun's servant sometimes when he gets angry and shouts at me. Because that's how it treats me.
Hey,
Sometimes it happens, यार. हर कोई मतलब गुस्सा होके कुछ तो चिल्लाता है. But you know what? Sometimes people treat their wives, their mothers, and others also very badly. But this particular character, the guy, I loved him so much because he was treating her with so much respect.
Yeah,
I loved that about that guy. I mean, I would just fall in love with such a guy just because he's respecting a woman like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, more than beauty, more than his money, more than the apartment that he has. Of course, I would love him for the apartment that he has, and I would never leave such a man who has such a beautiful apartment. Anyway, but I would fall in love with a person who treats women like that in real life. I would really, respect and fall in love with such person.
Yeah,
I mean, I would not marry because I'm already married.
And I think in the movie, I think they give a background of that also, because he has studied in New York, so he has become
Not
used
just
to.
because
it
he's
is-
studied in New York, Varun. See, it's also about your upbringing, the way you mingle, and even if if your parents have inbuilt certain thoughts, if your friends are certain people, it doesn't matter. It's all about you at the end of the day, how you do things.
Yeah,
it's not
that's
about
correct.
the
That's
place
correct.
also.
That's correct.
I would not agree
Absolutely.
with that.
Absolutely, that's
How
correct.
you
but
want to lead your life, how you want to just respect people or carry on with your life, it's all an individual's choice, guys. Please don't take that New York thing and all that because he is born and brought
No, I'm talking in terms of-
abroad or
in terms of
this
story.
is like again you're grouping certain people that वो New York से है, ये तो पता नहीं यही से है.
I'm not saying
ऐसे
ये
नहीं
तो
है.
यहीं से है या वो तो वहीं से है.
हाँ.
They give it a they why is that guy like that? They add that element into that story. That is all I'm saying. So all in all, I feel that the movie really went ahead and explored the life of people in a different way, as in people from different stratas of society.
Yeah.
So now what we can learn from this is we can treat people equally. That is something very essential, and you have to go ahead and treat people who are in different professions equally. Just talk to them like the way you talk to your friend or your colleague or
I
anyone.
agree with
They are also doing a certain job. They have a certain skill set. That is why they are doing that job. So
even if they don't have the skill set, उनको ना मजबूरी में कभी कर रहे होंगे.
Maybe.
उनका इंटरेस्ट
Yeah.
कुछ और होगा.
हाँ, exactly.
But just ask them how they are doing. Just ask them. That one thing I like about Varun is anyone he meets, he'll just ask कैसे हो भैया, या आप कैसे हो, आपका चाय हो गया, खाना हो गया. Just that small things when you ask, guys, they'll feel so happy and they'll be like, oh God, this person is concerned about me. They'll feel so happy, Just चाय हो गया, just खाना हो गया, ऐसे पूछोगे ना, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
It is not
They'll
something.
feel like they are like, okay, your friends. You treat them like equals. You treat them nicely. Don't just keep that, okay, अब हमारे लिए काम करते हो, मैं तुम्हें पैसे देती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है? So
नहीं,
you can-
वैसा है तो you have to treat them like employees. ठीक है? If somebody is working for you, you have to treat them like employees. They are your employees. So
yeah, but you can also be nice
be
to
professional.
them. That's all I'm saying.
Nice to them as in you just meet people and you just treat them equally. That is what I'm saying. If somebody is working for you, then you treat them like your employees. Yes.
Yeah,
The
at the
way
same
we are
time you
treated in
can-
the office, we have to keep the same. I don't know, but the thing is, I feel that we have to go ahead and treat them like our employees and be professional. If somebody is working for us, then so you have to, and like for example, we just go ahead and talk to our colleagues the way we talk to our colleagues. Okay, the way we talk to our colleagues, the way we talk to our team members, the same way we can talk to anyone who's employed for us also. Correct? So it has some level of respect you have to give, and they will also usually I feel that people who work for us as maids and guards, they don't expect that.
Expect to be respected.
Expect that somebody will go ahead and be with us like this.
उनका हाल चाल पूछेगा.
उनका हाल चाल पूछेगा या जो भी है. They will not expect them to be professional or they don't
That is
know.
the last
First of
thing.
all, they
Yeah.
don't know. So if you do it, that is going to really go ahead and give them a sense of confidence also. So it is something that is very essential, and that is what the learning I take from the movie. In fact, not the learning I already used to implement all this, and then I never treat anyone differently. So in the movie, it is highlighted perfectly, as in the way she tries to make that guy understand. And I like the ending. Basically, in the end, she stops calling him sir. So
Okay.
that is the first step. That is absolutely the first step. Just stop treating yourself.
Yeah.
You just have to stop
Okay. Yeah, that's what you
interpreting.
interpreted the ending. Okay,
yeah.
what I interpreted the ending was, see, at the last she says that no, I don't want to be like this. Let me be alone. You
And
don't
she
contact
leaves.
me and all. She says and she leaves. And then this guy also makes some. मतलब क्या बोलते हैं? He'll stand up for himself and he will go to his dad and he'll say, I don't want to be here anymore. I want to go back to New York. And his dad says, Are you sleeping with your maid? He says, no, I'm not, but I am in love with her. So he says, okay, in that case, you better go back to New York. That's how he says. And I think he does go back. My interpretation of the ending, I'm saying, I think he goes back to New York, and when he calls her, the first time she stops calling him sir and she calls him Ashwin. So what I feel is, just because he went to New York, now they would have that confidence that no one will interfere in their life, and I feel that she would go to New York. That's what I'm feeling would happen. I'm just thinking,
I
and
don't
I
know
want that to happen for them. I mean, obviously it's a fiction, it's not a reality, but if the director I mean can do a sequel or whatever, I would want that to be the continuation, because we should break all these barriers saying that a maid cannot be in love with the employer, whatever, because it's not like she was breaking someone's house or marriage or something. He was alone, he was single, she was also like a widow.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
she was
that
single,
is how you
so
gotta see it.
So they both can be together.
Two single people getting
Yeah.
in a romantic
But if in a
relationship.
married relationship, if a maid is interfering, then it could be a problem.
Yeah.
But anyway, love is blind, so you never know who will love whom and why.
So
Like,
guys, just
we have seen a lot of examples.
Now we are
in
deviating-
Varun's friend's case also,
we are
that he
deviating
was
from
in
the
love
topic.
with someone.
We are deviating from the review.
Extramarital affairs can happen.
Just go ahead and watch this movie. It's a very very nice movie, very very refreshing, and it is
Yeah, Varun was in love with me.
absolutely, because her acting was absolutely amazing.
Have you ever fell in love with any maid? I think you like Parvati. The Gobi chore.
Bye guys.
Varun,
So that's-
Varun
that's
doesn't
the-
even.
that's the
Okay, I'll
review.
just give you the funny side of Varun liking the maid. It's not that he really liked, but she was a nice lady who used to take care of my mom.
Nice lady.
And
Now
one
she's a nice
day
lady.
she took Gobi. Never eats Gobi, but he accused her of Gobi stealing, due to which she left the job.
It was really bad for me because I had done something which
I was like, Varun, you don't
it was a
even eat.
very funny situation, and it wasn't
Varun,
funny
you
at that
don't-
point of time because the maid
Varun doesn't even eat Gobi and he was accusing someone of stealing.
Hey, it
That
is all
was the
her
best.
fault. She is the one who incited me to do that.
And Varun
Anyways,
blamed her and she fought.
Anyways, we are.
That was
just
the best
deviating-
love story ever of
we are
Varun with the maid.
deviating- We are deviating from the topic. Guys, just just go ahead and watch the movie, and you can post your own review and give us opinions.
Sorry.
Give us your thoughts
I'll edit
about
all
it,
this laugh.
and have a general
Okay.
discussion about it if you want to. Okay, see ya, bye, sayonara.